Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you with the wireless earbuds. Bluetooth 5.1 IPX7 waterproof, 32 hours playtime, stereo sound and deep bath. These are Bluetooth headphones with charging case. Microphone for workout, travel, sports, etc. It is black. It is from Coumi. It has Bluetooth and wired. It has the headphones form factor in ear. Control type is voice control and touch control. Here you get the premium sound with the TWS technology. The sound comes through punchy bass sound and hi-fi stereo sound with one 2.5mm large size speaker. Coumi True Wireless Earbuds offer a truly and immersive experience to you, as when listening to music, playing games, watching movies, and of course, calling. Customize music freely with the upgraded equalizer function. The sound can be customized by the Coumi EQ app, and it can be stored in file form into our earbuds, no matter which music device or music service the user. And fast pairing. Wireless earbuds equipped with latest Bluetooth 5.1 technology provides Google Fast Pairing and two-step quick connection for us. Only need to take out the two earbuds or any single earbud from charging case and close to our smartphone. They will open the Bluetooth and they connect automatically. Coumi wireless headphones or earphones also supports to HFP, HSP, A2DP, AVRDP, and can connect with a laptop, iPad, iPhone, Android, and talk to SIRI. You have wireless charging. The Coumi earbuds provide 5 hours of play time, and we can enjoy an additional 32 hours with the charging case. With wireless charging technology or USB-C fast charging, the Coumi earbuds offer a more stable and safer way to charge the case fully in 90 minutes. And touch control. Wireless headphones are touch controlled rather than button operated. We can operate the earphones easily without using our smartphone. Play, pause, music, previous, next, answer and calls, voice assistant, all the options are at our fingertips. It's more convenient than other button controls earbuds. Oh yeah! Coumi is a brand focusing on high-end Bluetooth headphones. It's produced serious, included AI, artificial intelligence, voice-controlled earphones, TWS earphones, ANC earphones, hearing safety earphones, smart voice equalizer earphones, high-resolution earphones with in-ear, on-ear, ear hook over neck types. Coumi has its own R&D team and production factory dedicated to the development of trusted products and creating high-end headphones that spark real emotions because they believe so professional. These are the true wireless earbuds. Brighten up our workout with music. Superior sound quality with true wireless stereo effect, 12.5mm dynamic speakers and noise isolation deliver clear and flawless in-ear call quality. We are going to feel like we are listening the concert on the scene, providing a real sound for us. Bluetooth 5.1 built-in microphone, hi-fi stereo sound, one-step pairing, EQ function, hand-free call, IPX7 waterproof, 32 hours of play time, ENC and touch control. This is awesome. The product type is TWS834A. It's made out of polycarbonate and ABS. The Bluetooth version is 5.1. and the communication distance is around about 10 meters. Working time, it's up to 5 hours. Charging time, up to 1.5 hours. The earbud battery capacity is 35 milliampere hour. Charging case battery capacity is 720 milliampere hour. The dimensions are 62.5 to 62.5 to 29.3 millimeters. The product weight is 58 gram. Double mic and C 8.0 noise cancellation. Built-in double microphones with ENC technology, the Coumi wireless headphones has a dedicated internal and 6 external microphone pick up our voice and isolated from outside noises. Nice. It has a comfortable fit. The Bluetooth 5.0 earphones use the ergonomically designed to ensure as in-ear headphones fit comfortable to the ears and pocket size. The compact charging case is pocket sized and lightweight for recharging our earbuds anywhere and anytime so that we can enjoy our music all day long. You will get a true wireless earbuds, one charging case, one micro USB charging cable, one user guide, and one quick guide. And this is enough. Really awesome thing. This is the COUMI Wireless Earbuds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.